Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Log into your YouTube account and click on the icon on the top right. Click on Settings. Then on Channel Status and Features. And here you will find Custom URL. And if you are eligible, there will be an option to create one. Click on Enable. And click on Claim your custom URL. YouTube will give you suggestions based on your channel name and other factors. Click on the channel name you like the most. Click on Confirm Choice. And finally, you have a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share.